Hey guys, welcome back to Chandu's World. I have a hiring manager's name, her job title, her company, her verified email address. Her name is Randu. She is the finance manager at Amazon in Bellevue, Washington. And her email is rdu@amazon.com. Now, what do I actually say to her? Because this is the moment where most people completely freeze. You have done all the hard work of finding the right person, you have their direct email address, and then you open Gmail and you don't know what to type in there. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Claude to write a cold email to any hiring manager in under 30 seconds. It is not a generic template, not something that sounds like a robot wrote it for you. A fully personalized professional cold email that gives her an actual reason to reply. I'm going to run this live on screen. You are going to see the exact prompt I paste into Claude, the exact emails that come out, and I'm going to show you which version I would send and why. Let's go. Okay, here is what I am working with today. These are the exact details I found using Claude method, and I'm going to show you where this came from in just a minute. The name is just a second, Randu, and she is the finance manager SCOT, that is a supply chain optimization technology, and the company name is Amazon. The location is Bellevue, Washington, United States. Department is finance, and the most likely email is rdu@amazon.com. So whenever you send a cold email to that email, it will receive that email. So that specificity is exactly what makes a cold email more personalized, because I can write an opening line that speaks directly to supply chain optimization challenges and not just finance in general. And this all details came from the third video that I made using Claude and LinkedIn to get the email of the hiring manager. And so it literally takes like just 60 seconds. I will comment prompt, I will send all the prompts to you. Now let's build the prompt. Everything you need for today is completely free. Number one is Claude account, Claude.ai. It's free and no credit card is needed. Number two, the hiring manager's details. You have seen mine, Randu at Amazon. You will have yours from your own research. Number three, a quick file and summary of your own background. I'll show you exactly what to write in the next section. And number four, the job description for the role you're targeting at that company. Copy the full posting from LinkedIn or Amazon's career page. That is it. Let's build the prompt. Before we get into the main prompt, you need to give Claude a quick summary of your background. It will take 5 lines and it's just like 2 minutes. And here is the template. Fill in this 5 lines for yourself right now. Pause the video and do it. The first line will be your name and the target role. For me is like Chandu, targeting data analyst and finance analytics role. The second line will be my strongest achievement with a number. For me, I built like ETL pipelines before, the processing of 8 million records. So that's the thing. The third line is basically my second strongest achievement. For me, is analyzed EP global shipping data using Python and SQL driven ETL pipeline generating 100K plus revenue. Fourth line is my key skills. For me, it's like Python, SQL, Tableau, Power BI, and AWS, and many more. And the fifth line is my background and availability. For me, 4 years of data analytics experience across pharma, e-commerce, and government administration, and masters in information systems from Northeastern University. I am open to full-time roles in Bellevue or remote. 5 lines, that is all Claude needs. So let's get started. Open Claude, a fresh chat, open it and paste this prompt. I will go through each section and explain it quickly because I don't want to elongate the video. So you are an expert cold email writer who helps professionals get replies from senior hiring managers at Fortune 500 companies, and you write emails that like feel personal, professionally confident, and specifically tailored to one person. So that is one thing, and it will write a cold outreach sequence. Then the hiring manager details that I got from the previous video. The full name is Randu, current title is finance manager, SCOT, location is mentioned, and my background. Here my background is the 5 line background that I said. You need to paste it here. Then the job description, so I am targeting Amazon, and the team is supply chain optimization technology role, and the role type is data analyst. Now, what to write in that email? That is very important, because you need to actually connect with the like the hiring manager to get the reply. So you need to write the following. The first part will be, it will give 3 cold email versions. The version 1 will be short and punchy, which will be under 100 words, and the version 2 will be warm and professional, 120 to 150 words. It will have subject line and everything. The version 3 is data and insights angle. It will be like 100 to 130 words. Rules for all three will be, never mention about visa status, because it's an instant red flag. So don't mention that. Never use passionate about, hardworking and all. They have heard from a long time. So you don't mention that. Never ask for a job or an interview at the start. Remember that. And the part 2 is very important. It's for after you send the email, what if you don't get a reply? Because there can be times when the hiring manager missed their emails. So in that case, you need to have a follow-up email. Write a follow-up email to send exactly after 5 days after the first email if no reply. Rules will be under 60 words. And part 3 is LinkedIn connection request. It will also write a LinkedIn connection note to send to Randu on the same day as the email. It will be under 300 characters, because the LinkedIn note has a limit for 300 characters. And the fourth is email analysis. After writing all emails, give me the single strongest line in each version, the biggest risk in each version, and which version you recommend sending to a finance manager. That's it. That's the whole prompt. So now I have pasted the whole prompt here along with the job description, and I have pasted my quick summary that I had for the 5 lines. I will now click hit. It will take like 30 to 40 seconds to write 3 versions, email analysis, and a follow-up email. So let's get back to it after few seconds.
A few moments later.
Now I got the 3 versions, that is version 1 short and punchy, warm and professional, data and insight angle. So basically we'll read one of this. So dear Anne, fulfillment optimization at the scale Amazon runs is one of the hardest data problems in tech. So it starts with the problem. Millions of routing decisions, real-time constraints and margin pressure all at once. I built ETL pipeline processing our achievement, and then that kind of infrastructure work maps directly to the data throughput challenges. Would 50 minutes work sometime this week or next week? It's so good, like all the information that a hiring manager needs, because they have less time to read your email. They will have a very point to point answer ready. This is the first version. This is the second version. Amazon SEOT team sits at one of the most interesting intersection in tech, using ML and real-time data. That's appreciation. Supply chain data work 15 minutes run. Then data and insight angle, Amazon processes over 1.6 million packages. So these three are the cold email templates, and the next one is a quick question for you. It's basically a follow-up email. It's a short follow-up email you need to write. It's under 60 words. So dear Ran, one thing I keep thinking about as Amazon pushes same-day delivery into more markets, S- and sent you a note last week about my pipeline and supply chain analytics work. Still happy to keep it on 15 minutes if that's useful. That's the follow up email, and then there is a note for you to send to the LinkedIn hiring manager. That is the person that you're sending the email to. You will have a 300 character limit there, so you need to copy paste this and put it there. That's it. And the fourth path is the email analysis. The strongest line in the first thing is millions of routing decisions, biggest risk at under 100 words. It may feel too thin to a fan. She may want more signal before investing 15 minutes. And the second version is both roles were fundamentally about making large, messy operational data usable for fast decisions. The third is the data insight angle, and the best day and time to send is Tuesday or Wednesday. Because what happens is when you send on Monday, they already have a lot of emails pending from Saturday, Sunday, and the Friday weekend. So they tend to miss that email. So you, in that case, you need to send Tuesday or Wednesday in the early morning, 7:45 to 8:15. Senior managers often heads down in meetings by 9 a.m. So before that, they will see your email and send a day 5 follow-up email the same day of the week as the original. If you sent on Tuesday, following up the next Tuesday morning. So that's it. That's the whole thing that Claude gives. Let me be real with you about cold email reply rates because I do not want you to feel discouraged when you don't get a reply. A well written, personalized cold email to a senior manager at a company like Amazon or Meta or anything gets a reply rate of about 10 to 25%. That's sounds low, but think about what that actually means. If you're sending like 20 cold emails like this, you can expect 2 to 3 replies from actual hiring managers who know your name and have agreed to talk to you. Compare that to applying through Amazon portal where you are one of the 2000 applicants going through the ATS system. Which approach gives you a better shot? I would say cold email. Cold emailing is not a magic button like you press it, you will get the interview call, you will get the job. It is basically a numbers game at much higher quality level. Send the emails, track what get replies, refine the prompt, send more. The students who get jobs are the ones who send the emails, not the ones who plan to send them. I have built the total of 6 videos in this Claude job search series. We started this series with finding jobs posted in the past 24 hours using Claude and Amplify. So you apply before everyone else. Then in total, I made 6 videos, 6 tools, one complete system from finding the job to starting the conversation with the person who can hire you. Every video is linked in the description. Watch them in order. Each one builds on the last one. 5 quick pro tips for cold emailing. The first step is spend 2 minutes researching before you run the prompt. Go to the hiring manager's LinkedIn, read their 2 most recent posts, check if their company has been in the news. Add those specific details to the additional context section of the prompt. That 2 minutes of research is what separates a reply from a delete. The second tip is send Tuesday to Thursday morning. Monday emails get buried because they have a lot of emails from the weekend. Friday emails get ignored before the weekend because they are in the rest mode. Randu is in Bellevue. Send at 8 a.m. Pacific, not 8 a.m. in the Eastern time zone, right? The third tip is use a professional email address, not your university email that expires, not a nickname, first name dot last name, some numbers @gmail.com. If your name is common, add your field chandukongara.data@gmail.com. It's clean and searchable. The fourth tip is save every email you send in a Google Sheet. Company, hiring manager name, email send date, version sent, reply received, yes or no. After 20 emails, you will see which versions get replies and which do not. That data makes your next 20 emails much more stronger. The fifth tip, when someone does reply, do not immediately ask for an interview. Reply within 1 hour, be warm, be brief about what you want to talk, suggest a specific time for like 15-minute call. Keep the same low pressure energy and don't be like desperate about getting that job. Randu is a finance manager at Amazon. She manages supply chain optimization technology for one of the largest fulfillment operations in the world. She's busy, she gets a lot of emails, but she also has roles to fill. She's also looking for talented people. And if the right email lands in her inbox at the right time, she will definitely reply. Today, you learned how to write that email in 30 seconds using Claude. The email is written, the follow up is ready, the LinkedIn message is also drafted. Now send it. Do not wait for the perfect moment. That won't come. Just go out there, send that emails. Do not second guess the subject line. Send it. If this video helped you, hit the like button right now. It takes 1 second and it helps YouTube show this series to more international students, to more students out there in the whole world who need this job search series. Subscribe because next week we video 7 how to use Claude to find companies that actually sponsor H1B visas or any other topic that people would be interested in. If I get a question, I will make that video. Drop a comment and tell me which company are you sending your first cold email to. I want to know. And when you get that reply, come back and tell me. We can celebrate that moment in our YouTube channel. I'm Chandu. This email is well written. Now go send it. I'll see you in the next week. If you want more details about the prompts and anything, comment prompt and whatever version you liked, I will reply to you personally. See you in the next one. I'm hoping for you.